शुक्र तारे के समान, written by Swami Anand, and in this video I'm going to explain pages 70 to 71. It's taken from Sparsh textbook, grade 9, chapter 8. Anand is the author. मूलतः गुजराती भाषा में लिखे गए प्रस्तुत पाठ शुक्र तारे के समान में लेखक ने गांधी जी के निजी सचिव महादेव भाई देसाई की बेजोड़ प्रतिमा और व्यस्ततम दिनचर्या को उकेरा है. Now this story, Shukr Tare Ke Saman, basically it was written in Gujarati and it has been translated to Hindi. Now in this story, the author Swami Anand ji, he has narrated or described very strongly the amazing talent and busiest routine of Gandhi ji's personal secretary Mahadev Bhai Desai. Now children, this page or this slide is an introduction to the lesson. Bejod Pratibha means amazing talent. Niji Sachiv means personal secretary. Vyastatam Dincharya means busiest routine. Ukera hai means has strongly mentioned. लेखक अपने इस रेखा चित्र के नायक के व्यक्तित्व और उसकी ऊर्जा, उनकी लगन और प्रतिभा से अभिभूत है. The author is overwhelmed with this personality. And this person, who is this personality? It is Bhai Mahadev Desai. Now he has picturized him as a hero and he is overwhelmed by these qualities of the hero. His energy, his dedication and hard work, and his amazing talent. Rekha Chitra ke Nayak, the hero of the character sketch. Vyaktitva, personality, urja, energy, lagan, hard work, pratibha, talent. Abhibhut hai means he is overwhelmed. Mahadev Bhai ki saralta, sajjanta, nishtha, samarpan, लगन और निराभिमान को लेखक ने पूरी ईमानदारी से शब्दों में पिरोया है. He has threaded in words with full honesty the qualities of Mahadev Bhai. His quality of being the simple, generous, loyal, dedicated, hardworking and prideless personality. Saralta means simplicity, sajjanta, gentleness, nishtha, loyalty, samarpan, dedication, lagan, hard work, and nirabhiman means pridelessness. Piroya hai means he has threaded them together. इनकी लेखनी महादेव के व्यक्तित्व का ऐसा चित्र खींचने में सफल रही है कि पाठक को महादेव भाई पर अभिमान हो आता है. His article has been able to create such a picture of this personality that people, whoever the reader is, they start feeling proud about him. व्यक्तित्व means personality. लेखक के अनुसार कोई भी महान व्यक्ति महानतम कार्य तभी कर पाता है जब उसके साथी ऐसे सहयोगी हों जो उसकी तमाम इतर चिंताओं और उलझनों को अपने सिर ले ले. According to the author, any great person is able to do all the great works just because he's having certain colleagues who take up all his worries and confusions on their head, or they try to handle all his worries and confusions. Only then a great person can do great work. Sahiyogi means colleagues. Tamam itar chintao means all worries. Uljhane means confusions. गांधी जी के लिए महादेव भाई और भाई प्यारे लाल जी ऐसे ही शख्सियत थे. For Gandhi ji, Mahadev Bhai and Bhai Pyare Lal were such personalities. And that is the reason why he could do great things. That is what the author means to say. आकाश के तारों में शुक्र की कोई जोड़ नहीं. Among the stars of the sky, the Venus star is incomparable because it's very bright. कोई जोड़ नहीं means is incomparable. शुक्र चंद्र का साथी माना गया है. Venus has been considered to be the friend of the moon. You can always find Venus next to the moon. उसकी आभा प्रभा का वर्णन करने में संसार के कवि थके नहीं. The Poets of the entire world are not tired of praising its aura, describing its aura. Abha Prabha means aura, its brightness. फिर भी नक्षत्र मंडल के कलगी रूप इस तेजस्वी तारे को दुनिया या तो ऐन शाम के समय बड़े सवेरे घंटे 2 घंटे से अधिक देख नहीं पाती. Still, this bright star, it cannot be seen by the world for more than 2 to 2.5 hours in the early mornings and in the evening times. Tejasvi Tara means very bright star. And Kalgi Roop means crescent form. The shape has been described as that. इसी तरह भाई महादेव जी आधुनिक भारत की स्वतंत्रता के उषा काल में अपनी वैसी ही आभा से हमारे आकाश को जगमगाकर देश और दुनिया को मुग्ध करके शुक्र के तारे की तरह ही अचानक अस्त हो गए. Just like that, just like the Venus star or the Venus planet, even Mahadev ji, he illuminated our entire sky with his brightness. He had worked a lot in the initial stages of independence of modern India, and he enchanted both not only his country, even the world. But unfortunately, just like the Venus star, he suddenly set, that is, he suddenly left all of us. Adhunik Bharat means modern India. Swatantrata means freedom. Usha Kal mein means in the early stages. Jagmagakar means by shining. Mukt karke by enchanting. Achanak ast ho gaye. Suddenly he passed away. सेवा धर्म का पालन करने के लिए इस धरती पर जन्मे स्वर्गीय महादेव देसाई गांधी जी के मंत्री थे. Now, in order to follow the religion of serving others, the late Mahadev Desai ji, he was born on this land and he was the minister of Gandhi ji. Seva Dharma means the religion of serving others. मित्रों के बीच विनोद में अपने को गांधी जी का हम्माल कहने में और कभी-कभी अपना परिचय उनके पीर, बावर्ची, भिश्ती, खर के रूप में देने में वे गौरव का अनुभव किया करते थे. Now, for fun, when he would be with his friends, he would call himself as the porter or the coolie of Gandhiji. And sometimes he would introduce himself as the saint or the cook or the water carrier or donkey of Gandhiji, and he used to feel proud to introduce him in that way. This shows the amount of dedication with which he used to work for Gandhiji. Here, Hammal means coolie or porter, Peer means saint, Bawarchi means cook, Bhishti means water, the person who carries water in a particular kind of vessel, Khar means donkey. जी के लिए वे पुत्र से भी अधिक थे. Now, for Gandhiji, he was more than his son. जब सन 1917 में वे गांधी जी के पास पहुंचे थे, तभी गांधी जी ने उनको तत्काल पहचान लिया और उनको अपने उत्तराधिकारी का पद सौंप दिया. Now, in 1917, when Mahadev Bhai, he approached Gandhiji, immediately Gandhiji identified the real person in him and he entrusted him the position of his successor. Uttaradhikari means successor, Pad means position, Saump diya means entrusted. सन 1919 में जलियांवाला बाग के हत्याकांड के दिनों में पंजाब जाते हुए गांधी जी को पलवल स्टेशन पर गिरफ्तार किया गया था. Now, in 1919, while going to Punjab, Gandhiji was arrested at the Palwal station. It is because during those times the Jallianwala encounter had happened. I hope children, all of you know that in the Jallianwala Bagh encounter, thousands and thousands of innocent Indians, they were killed very brutally by the British Army. हत्याकांड एनकाउंटर. गांधी जी ने उसी समय महादेव भाई को अपना वारिस कहा था. गांधी जी, when he got arrested at that time, he had called Mahadev Bhai as his successor. वारिस means successor. सन 1929 में महादेव भाई आसेतु हिमाचल देश के चारों कोनों में समूचे देश के दुलारे बन चुके थे. In 1929, Mahadev Bhai had become a pet of entire India, from Rameshwaram to Himachal, and in all the four corners of India, he had become everybody's pet. Everyone used to like him. Asetu Himachal means the area from Rameshwaram in South India till Himachal in the North India. Dulare means pet. इसी बीच पंजाब में फौजी शासन के कारण जो कहर बरसाया गया था, उसका ब्यौरा रोज रोज आने लगा. During this time, Punjab was being run by the army rule, and during that time, great havoc was being wreaked on Punjab, and the details of that started coming every day. Fauji Shasan means army rule. Kahar barsaya gaya means they wreaked havoc in Punjab. Uska ब्यौरा means its details. पंजाब के अधिकतर नेताओं को गिरफ्तार करके फौजी कानून के तहत जन्म कैद की सजाएं देकर काला पानी भेज दिया गया. Majority of the leaders in Punjab, they were arrested by the Britishers, and under the army law, they were sentenced to lifelong imprisonment and sent to Kalapani. Now, Kalapani is what is known as Andaman and Nicobar Islands today. It was extreme, difficult conditions under which these people were, imprisoned. Janma Kaid ki saza means sentence of life imprisonment. Lahore के राष्ट्रीय अंग्रेजी दैनिक पत्र ट्रिब्यून के संपादक श्री कालीनाथ राय को 10 साल की जेल की सजा मिली. The main editor of National English Daily, the Tribune, from Lahore, he was given 10 years of jail imprisonment. Rashtriya means national, Dainik Patra means daily, संपादक means editor. गांधी जी के सामने जुल्मों और अत्याचारों की कहानियां पेश करने के लिए आने वाले पीड़ितों के दल गाम देवी के मणि भवन पर उमड़ते रहते थे. Now, all the victims who wanted to present their stories of atrocities and oppression in front of Gandhi ji, they used to gather at Mani Bhavan or Gam Devi. Atyachar and Zulm means atrocities and oppression. Pidit means victims. Dal ke dal means the troop of people. Umarte rehte the means they used to keep gathering. महादेव उनकी बातों की संक्षिप्त टिप्पणियां तैयार करके उनको गांधी जी के सामने पेश करते थे. And Mahadev used to make short notes of whatever they used to say, and he used to present it before Gandhi ji, और आने वालों के साथ उनकी रूबरू मुलाकातें भी करवाते थे. And he used to even arrange for face-to-face meetings with Gandhi ji for these people. Rubaru means face-to-face, mulakate means meeting. गांधी जी मुंबई के मुख्य राष्ट्रीय अंग्रेजी दैनिक बॉम्बे क्रॉनिकल में इन सब विषयों पर लेख लिखा करते थे. And Gandhi ji used to write articles on these subjects in National English Daily, Bombay Chronicle. Chronicle में जगह की तंगी बनी रहती थी, and there was so much to write that there was always shortage of space in Chronicle. It was a daily. Daily means it is published every day. Here, children, Bombay is now known as Mumbai. I think all of you are aware of that. Jagah ki tangi means shortage of space. Vishay means subjects. कुछ ही दिनों में क्रॉनिकल के निडर अंग्रेज संपादक हार्नी मैन को सरकार ने देश निकाले की सजा देकर इंग्लैंड भेज दिया. Within few days, the British government deported the fearless English editor Horny Man, and they sent him to England because he was supporting Indians. Nidar means fearless. देश निकाले की सजा means deportation. उन दिनों बम्बई के 3 नए नेता थे. In those days, there were 3 new leaders in Mumbai. Shankarlal Banker, Umar Sobhani, और Jamnadas Dwarkadas. These were the names of the 3 leaders of Mumbai. इनमें अंतिम श्रीमती बेसेंट के अनुयायी थे. In this last person, Jamnadas Dwarikadas was the follower of Besant. अनुयायी means follower. ये नेता यंग इंडिया नाम का एक अंग्रेजी साप्ताहिक भी निकालते थे. Now these leaders used to publish one English weekly called Young India. साप्ताहिक means weekly. लेकिन उसमें क्रॉनिकल वाले हॉर्नीमैन ही मुख्य रूप से लिखते थे. बट इट वॉज हॉर्नीमैन हु यूज्ड टू राइट फॉर दैट क्रॉनिकल मेनली. उनको देश निकाला मिलने के बाद इन लोगों को हर हफ्ते साप्ताहिक के लिए लिखने वालों की कमी रहने लगी. नाउ आफ्टर हॉर्नीमैन वाज डिपोर्टेड, these leaders, they had shortage of people who would write articles for their weekly. ये तीनों नेता गांधी जी के परम प्रशंसक थे और उनके सत्याग्रह आंदोलन में बंबई के बेजोड़ नेता भी थे. These three leaders, they were ardent admirers of Gandhi ji and they were amazing leaders of the Satyagraha movement in Mumbai. Param Prashansak means ardent or ultimate fans. Satyagraha Andolan means Satyagraha movement. Bejod Neta means amazing leaders. इन्होंने गांधी जी से विनती की कि वे यंग इंडिया के संपादक बन जाए. They requested Gandhi ji that they should become the editor of Young India. संपादक means editor. गांधी जी को तो इसकी सख्त जरूरत थी. गांधी जी needed that very badly because his daily was short of space. उन्होंने विनती तुरंत स्वीकार कर ली and he immediately accepted the request. Now children, I'll continue with the rest of the lesson in the next video. Otherwise the videos become too long. I hope you understood it and I'm very sorry that I could upload this only very late. Take care and best wishes.